Man, I'm just eating up these tax relief ads. Here's another one on TikTok.
It's update time. So remember that letter I got from the IRS? Scary letters that they send out. Well, anyways, they sent one over saying
Okay, time out.
44,000.
Okay, look at the top here. This is a sample notice that like the IRS puts on their website, right? See how it says taxpayer, name, address, city, state, zip? Like, I don't know exactly what notice this is, but if you go to the IRS website and like look for like, I don't know, a CP14 or CP501 or CP503 or CP504, they have all these sample notices that that they put on there, right? So that you could download them. I don't know. They just have sample notices of what sample. And most of them are outdated because the IRS changed how their notices look last year and this year as well. But they clearly just pulled one of those sample notices from the IRS, and that's what it says: just taxpayer name, address, city, state, zip. Uh, and it just makes me wonder, like, at our tax relief company, we get hundreds of pieces of mail, right? I feel like on a weekly basis or monthly basis for our clients. You think they would be able to pull like a real notice that one of their clients actually received and maybe redacted like the name and stuff instead of using a fake notice for this ad? Anyways, let's keep going.
Well, I did some online research and I decided to go with guardiantax.com. They negotiated for $100 instead of $44,000.
Yeah, I'm sure
I'm
that
happy to say
I'm sure you actually owed
that the
44,000
IRS
like in the sample notice. Oh man, it's so funny. It's kind of funny the marketing gimmicks that of all these companies will use. And if you know me, I don't really use any marketing gimmicks. I mean, maybe responding to other companies' ads is the most kind of gimmicky thing I do. But I've always my belief has always been just if you educate people and just kind of tell them how to do things themselves if they want to do it themselves, or just educate them on the kind of notices they're receiving, or just answering their questions, that'll naturally build trust, and some folks will want to hire me and my company to help them with their tax problem. I mean, that's been my philosophy and my perspective, so I don't have to go and make up fake stories in a TikTok ad about my fake notice that I got from the IRS. Folks, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 in back taxes, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we'll reach out to you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.